I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Okay, hi loves, welcome back. So this is a little bit different. So this is featuring MsBuy or MsBuy hair. I have to actually grab the packaging and I forgot. But this is my first time trying Flexi rods, so yeah. Interesting. I can't wait to see how it looks. It was originally body wave, but it wasn't my cup of tea, coffee, whatever. I just really didn't like it, so I did put some Flexi rods, and hopefully I love the Flexi rods. Hopefully I get the effect I was looking for. I did do a little side part or whatever, so you know, hopefully it comes out cute. I'm really curious to see what it's gonna look like. So I'm rocking a 250% density lace wig. It is a body wave, as I mentioned already. So this is the box. Just says MsBuy on it, and it's a really plain, straight to the point box. Came pretty quickly. Why do I always itch? Every time I wear makeup, it's like something has to itch. All right, so they do include hair care tips and just, it says caring for sew-ins, caring for wigs, etc. It came in this plastic right here, and then it had a hairnet on it. So that's all that came in there. And then they also sent something extra. They sent this right here, I guess in lieu of the holidays. Inside, oh, this is actually kind of pretty. So it's like this headband with the reindeer antlers on it. That's cute. I didn't know that's what that was. I kind of want it without the antlers, so I'm going to try to rip them off and keep this part because my ears do be cold, y'all. But anyways, also, what's this? Oh, a strap, an elastic band in case you need to make your wig tighter. However, it has combs and it has adjustable straps on the inside, so you probably won't need that. And lastly, oh, they sent some wig caps. So 2 wig caps in here, and it is my complexion. Well, the one I use for me, the one I actually have on under here now. And some pretty bomb ass lashes. Like, okay, MsBuy. So I will have the written review on my website, and so you can definitely go read that if you choose to. It's probably going to say the same, sum up everything I say in the video. So these are the lashes with thick, like, those are pretty cute. The case is nice, so MsBuy did that. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these Flexi rods out. Now, I'm not a Flexi rod pro. This is my first time, so we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so I'm just going to open it and kind of twist it. Oh. I did good, y'all. I'm trying to see where I can throw these Flexi rods. the outcome, and I'm so excited for it because this is my first ever successful Flexi rod set. So, and it smells so good. I used Cantu curling custard. Is it curling custard? Oh, Define and Shine custard. And then I used some mousse and some water, and I put the Flexi rods in. As you can see, I just used the 2 sizes. I ran out in the back, so I just put 2 big or 2 or 3 big pink ones. Now, this hump right here would aggravate the F out of me, so I would probably just spray it down with water or something. But yeah, you can definitely put some baby hairs in this. I'm not going to customize it too much because it'll probably be on my site. I have like 10 more wigs to make, so I'm like wigs galore right now. So yeah, that's this unit right here. It's really pretty, and it has a great density. I definitely believe it is 250 density. Feels like a not a natural, but it feels like one of my custom units. Like, it just sits really nicely. So yeah, shout out to MsBuy. Now that part, I would probably go on thinner, but it's not the worst thing in the world. You can always just make a new part or part the opposite side and start all over when you have parts that you kind of don't like. So yeah. I'm trying to see if I like it on this side. Alright, so I'm going to start running my fingers through it, because the more I run my fingers through it, the bigger it's going to get, and the less, you know, the more the curl is going to, I guess, frizz up and expand out. So, it smells really, really good. I don't know if I use Hawaiian Silky on this one, but it smells really good, and it looks really good as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to, I will come on and show you guys how I do Flexi rod sets, I guess. You know, since this one was a little bit successful. But anyways, thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed. So, yeah.